Now I'm going to show you guys how to put together the wireless power transmission circuit. Here are the components you're going to need: a battery pack, a breadboard, your 15-loop wire coil, your 30-loop wire coil, the LED wire coil, a couple of jumper wires, a resistor, and a transistor. So the first thing you're going to want to do is plug your transistor into the breadboard, into any 3 rows, and then connect the resistor, one of the leads of the resistor, into the same row as the middle pin of the transistor. And then the other lead you can just plug into any empty row. The second thing you're going to want to do is take one of your jumper wires and plug it into the left pin of the transistor and plug that into your ground. And then you're going to want to take your 15-loop wire coil and plug it into the same row as the very right pin of the transistor. And then find an empty row for the other lead. You're going to want to take your 30-wire coil, plug it into the same row that you just plugged the one lead into. And then the other lead is going to plug into the same row as the resistor. And these are going to kind of go on top of each other here. And then you're going to take one of your jumper wires, and in that same row as the 2 wire coils, you're going to plug that to your power. And last but not least, you're going to plug in your battery into the positive and negative rows. And then you're going to make sure these are kind of aligned on top of each other, and take your LED coil and kind of hover it above, and you can see the LED starts to turn on. Now these aren't making contact with each other. You can do that with a piece of paper and hold it over top, and you can see that without making contact the LED still turns on.